welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys today. I want to talk about the overall market, where I think we're headed here, considering we just had Jerome Powell speaking yesterday, and we did get a 0.25 basis rate point hike, and what I think that means for the rest of the market. But without further ado, guys, we are at 7,970 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, all in all, a lot of people were thinking that we weren't going to be getting any rate hike or even getting the rates cut. But yesterday, it was awfully hawkish that we did get a 0.25 basis rate point hike. But that being said, we're holding up relatively well. A lot of the money that is we're still almost at 30K Bitcoin, guys. It's really incredible. I mean, and you're not seeing a overall sell-off here. You're actually seeing some of this liquidity getting pushed into altcoins, which is very fascinating, because I would have definitely expected a heavier sell-off after a 0.25 basis rate point hike, especially of the hawkish talk that Jerome was saying, talking about how he doesn't see rate hikes happening within this entire year of 2023, and that definitely would solidify my statement that I do believe that this is the year of accumulation. However, there was definitely lots of talk with all these banks collapsing that now would be the time that we do need to backpedal a little bit, because every time we raise these rates, it's just going to be more and more strain on these banks, and it's going to be very, very difficult for them to survive. So the way that Jerome was speaking yesterday was very he seemed like he wasn't really sure of himself, honestly, in some of the statements when he was responding to some of these questions. Just his body language and how he was speaking, it was very fascinating to pick apart those micro expressions. But it is important that we pick out the things that he was saying. He did say that the goal is to get to 2% inflation, which is, I think, very, very difficult. I think that it's going to be extremely difficult. I don't even think that is going to be possible without destroying the entire financial world. So we're going to have to see how these next FOMC meetings are, because, we were talking about leading into this one, oh, this is the most important FOMC meeting ever, and well, until the next one, right, guys? Because, I think that the tones are going to be changing with every meeting. I don't think that you can expect consistency anymore, because we have been getting, let's back up a couple weeks, and we were talking about super, super dovish talk. Oh, inflation is coming down, things are good. And then you fast forward a week or two after that, and you have, we're going to have to raise rates higher than we anticipated. So I think that they don't really know how they're going to play this out, how this is all going to play out. They don't know if they can do this without destroying the economy, because they've never done this before. And so, all in all, not trying to be a bear here or anything like that, but we're going to have to be paying close attention to these FOMC meetings, because it's really important. We're in a data-driven market right now, that's for sure. Bitcoin dominance at 46.19%. Would like to see that get a little bit higher leading into the Bitcoin halving, but all in all, we are still on track here. The Bitcoin dominance was about 44% a month ago. We are getting closer and closer, and we are seeing altcoins, the liquidity from the Bitcoin moves flowing into the altcoins is what I would like to see. Let's talk about Crocoin for a minute, guys, because we are still lagging behind some of these other altcoins, which is unfortunate, but we are still in a fantastic accumulation zone, guys. I still have my Crow bags. I'm gonna still be accumulating them. Gonna be keep taking my staking rewards and staking that with my initial bag. Gonna keep doing that. But all in all, guys, be patient. The time to accumulate is now, and we're about a year away from the Bitcoin halving. Time is on our side, guys. Over at the S&P 500, we are having a green day, which is pretty awesome to see. It's kind of a sideways day, but all in all, we're pretty green on the week, which is really cool to see. I like to see a bounce off of this. Once resistance, heavy resistance, now support level. Would like to see a resumption off, and that's looking like what we're getting right now. So very excited to see that. If we make a break above the $4,327 mark on the S&P 500, I think that that's going to be some bullish continuation on the S&P 500 and potentially some bullish divergence on the overall economy and the bullish and the overall S&P 500, which would be really really huge for Bitcoin and crypto. But over on Bitcoin, guys, we came down a little bit, but you can hardly notice it on the weekly. If you look at the daily chart, I mean, guys, we're getting daily candle closes above 26,000, above 25,300, and on the daily, another price target we should be looking at is the 26,500. And guys, we're getting daily candle closes above that. This is bullish continuation, guys. This is strong momentum here, and leading into this Bitcoin halving. And when we zoom out here, guys, we got about a year. We got about a year until the Bitcoin halving. This is time to accumulate. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing right now. My opinion. Right now is the time to accumulate, guys, and that's what I am doing. Time is on our side. If we're getting these daily candle closes above 26,500, and we continue to get them, there's bullish momentum. However, if we do get some daily candle closes below 26,500 and maybe even a weekly candle close, then I'm going to turn a little bit bearish. Leading into the Bitcoin halving. So, that being said, we have very, very key price levels to be looking at, but that's pretty much it. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, if you would like to open any trades, we have lots of free money in the description box below. All you got to do is click the BitGet link, the Binance link, or the Femex link. There's $8,000 sign up for BitGet, $4,500 for Femex, and a $600 for Binance. There's lots of cool tools you can use and a lot of free money. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit, open a couple trades, and you got it. And on top of that, guys, if you do want to be a member, please consider becoming a member. Click the join button here on our homepage. You get awesome custom loyalty badges, as well as access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and trade signals, and a more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. But guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.